We'll be going over how to properly register an account on Genius Meetings. So the first step is to go over to registration. And for this example, we will be a venue/service provider. Then we'll be entering right here. And then for entering an address, it's not that complicated. And for the city, you just have to find out which one you would like, and we have found it, and it automatically enters the zip code or postal code. And for the registration number, you just enter a number, and if you're unsure which number it is, you just access this link right here and you should be able to find it. We'll be entering my name, and then my email. And after that, we will register. And after that process, we will pick which pack. And in this case, I will choose this one and then subscribe to the selected pack. After that, I will receive an email from Genius Meetings with the proper link, and I will press that link. I will proceed. And now I have registered and my account is now active. And I will enter my information. And now everything is in order and I can make the proper modifications, and so can you.